Hello everyone, my name is Nikhil Mogal and today's topic is keywords in Java. Java is a statistically typed object-oriented programming language designed to have as few implementation dependencies as possible. One of the foundational aspects of Java is its set of keywords. Keywords in Java are reserved words that have a predefined meaning in the language. They are used to define the structure and flow of Java programs. Since they are reserved, they cannot be used as identifiers like variable name, class name, or method names. Java has 50 reserved keywords as of Java SC 17 version. These keywords are essential for creating variables, controlling program flow, defining classes, methods, and more. Categories of Java keywords are as follows. Keywords can be categorized based on their functionality. First one, data type keywords. Java supports both primitive data types and object references. The primitive data types are defined using keywords. Like first one is byte, which is 8-bit signed integer. Short, which is 16-bit signed integer. Int, 32-bit signed integer. Long, 64-bit signed integer. Float, 32-bit floating point number. Double also 64-bit floating point number. Char, 16-bit Unicode character. Also boolean represents true or false values. Next one is control flow keywords. These keywords control the flow of execution in a program. First one is if, used for conditional branching. Next one is else, specifies an alternative block if the if condition is false. Switch statements, switch one of the possible code execute. Case defines individual conditions within a switch statement. Default specifies the default block in a switch if no case matches. For initiates a loop with initialization, condition and increment. While repeats a block of code as long as the condition is true. Do executes a block of code at least once before checking the condition. Break exits from a loop or a switch statement prematurely. Continue skips the current iteration and proceeds to the next loop cycle. Return exits from a method and optionally returns a value. Next one is access modifiers. Access modifiers define the visibility of classes, methods and variables. First one is public, accessible from any other class. Private, accessible only within the declared class. Protected, accessible within the same package and by their subclasses. Default, that when no access modifier is specified, the default is package private. Next one, class, method and variable modifiers. These keywords modify the behavior of classes, methods and variables. First one, static, belongs to the class rather than instances. Next one, final, prevents modifications, inheritance or overriding. Next one, abstract, defines a class that cannot be instantiated or a method without an implementation. Synchronized, ensures thread safety by allowing only one thread to execute a method at a time. Next one is volatile, indicates that a variable's value will be modified by different threads. Next one is transient, prevents a variable from being serialized. Next, exception handling keywords. Java provides robust exception handling mechanism using the following keyword. First one is try, defines a block of code to test for exceptions. Next one, catch, which handles exceptions thrown by the try block. Finally, defines a block of code that always executes after try or catch. Throw explicitly throws an exception. Throws declares exceptions that a method might throw. Next one, package and import keywords. Java is package based and these keywords help in managing packages and imports. First one, package, defines the package of a class. Import, which imports other Java classes or entire packages. Next one, object oriented programming keywords. Java is an object oriented language and these keywords support OOPS concepts. First one, class, class which declares a class. Interface, which defines an interface, a contract that classes can implement. Extend indicates that a class inherits from a superclass. Implements specifies that a class implements an interface. This refers to the current instance of the class. Super refers to the parent class of the current object. New creates new object. Next one, concurrency keywords. For multi-threaded programming that is synchronized, ensures that only one thread can access a method or block at a time. Next one, volatile, prevents caching of variables, ensuring that updates are visible to all threads. Next one, literal keywords. That is, first one is true, represents the boolean value as true. False represents the boolean value as a false. Next one, null, represents the absence of an object reference. Conclusion, Java keywords are the backbone of the language's syntax. They define how programs are written, structured and executed. Since keywords have special meaning, they cannot be used as identifiers for variables, methods or classes. Understanding these keywords is crucial for mastering Java programming as they are used in almost every line of the code. Thank you.